we can go to content creation. We can create a
cool.
website.
So the number 10, you increase it to 10, is that search engine? What is it that you're doing the number 10 there?
Let me explain. So search intent means we are trying to grab all the data from Google on this topic, how to gain lead from this is right, the main topic. And now increasing it to 10 means all the content related to this main topic.
Website results in the search.
Website result in the search.
So we've gone from 5 to 10 URLs.
Now you can go to content automation.
Content automation starts here.
Yeah.
Cool.
Now think of first blog post that you wanted to create for your business. Blog post or anything, any content that you wanted to share on the social media. Keep it short, right? That's my advice.
Website leads.
Right, exactly. And think from the user point of view that when they read this, that will help them to.
So is that acceptable?
Yeah, that's good. You remember, like some of these are coming from research.
Yeah.
Does it make sense, right?
Yeah, absolutely. I can see the synergy between inputs and what the output is. Yeah, I can see.
Then obviously it missed the 1, 2, 3 sequence, but it put introduction when it started second, third, fourth. 10 things it's trying to get. So increase visibility. It's already 500 or 600 words of initial platter you have here. You can see the score is already kind of high here, 70. So that means it is matching with your market research current content. And you can click like captivating captions. You want to generate some hooks that you want to now think of like this cake, and you wanted to decorate it with different things, chocolate, different candles and things. So we have got our platter now, and we wanted to get more tools, and there are multiple tools to expand this content.
You said this is about 500 words. Where would I see that?
If you click it one of them or try to change something, it will calculate it. Like if you now it's 467 words.
Okay, that's what it was.
Yes, it's saying to me that on this topic, your competitors are writing 1,230 words, and you have already 467 words. So our goal is now to increase this to more than 1,200 words, and that's what we are going to do with different tools here.
Yeah. Okay, cool. That's really good, because a lot of SEO tools look at the content volume of the competition. Okay, so when you now onto the captivating captions part, do I need to click down at the bottom?
Just first click on them, and then you are going to insert them wherever you need them. So these are different hooks that you wanted to add. If you like them, you can generate more of them. You can create more headline intros.
Keep on generating till I find something that I feel is appropriate, and then bring it in. I would probably use them for the title. These kind of
these are actually your title. You wanted to make maybe more paragraphs or title, or change the title. The main goal was still 10 things, but you can change this as a title.
So I'll take that one, and I can just delete and paste.
Yes.
Cool.
Right, and now if you go below here, you can generate more intros. If you're not happy with what intro you got, or you want to inject more introduction to your blog, right? You can add them. Yeah.
So taking on board what you said about the competition having a larger volume, we probably would want to add more. Well, this is an intro to the subject matter, is it?
Yeah. You can add more story. You can generate 2 times, 3rd time. Every time you will get a different intro. Here the goal is can we implement these new ideas and fit into the content as long as they are relevant. So it's speaking your language or about business language. You wanted to address them. You wanted to start them. So that was a little idea here.
I could take that and then edit it
a little bit so that it's more of your own. You can even use this talk to post in the social media as an introduction to your post.
Yeah.
So we are just making a master copy, and you can break it down in the way you wanted to achieve this. If you click on the generate content coach, you get different structure as well. So you can take that structure and expand on it. How to increase website lead through targeted marketing, how AI marketing and sales.
I've taken out things regarding AI.
When we check top, what is the topic? If you're not happy at any time, you can also change this topic, main topic of interest.
Increase
And
website leads.
yes, you can always change this. Now you see all your market research is here. You can pick up any of these points in your content. That's also possible.
So yeah, it's taking all the information from my avatar. You can see
Yes.
the search.
These are all the data that from SERP. These are all the topics that people are asking. Quora questions. You can generate their answers actually. All the Quora questions, you can generate their answers and you can inject it.
That's really good. Quora is a very good lead generation source.
Let's suppose that you're writing this and just consider them, these are different tools, right? Now, if you go to the main editor, you can always copy paste it in between or on the later part.
Yeah.
Now you say how to double your website traffic. Just select this, like you can make it like point number 10, 8, 9, 10, because you wanted to cover 10 things, right? So let's suppose that this is your fifth thing, right?
Yeah.
Like just select this and say, ask me Athena. This is the third option after this and down. Yes, yeah. Ask me Athena. It is also possible to expand this on the full screen. I'll show you how.
I remember before you have write me and ask me, one expands and one teaches it, right?
Right. Now what you can do, you got the answer, how to increase website lead. Each one of them you can select and say, write me Athena.
Expand on this point now.
Yes. Add a contact number, choose an appropriate color combination. These are just like some ideas, right? Now you can see like first one, it has written, you see one, and then you can make it paragraphs. So you just make an enter and it will get a paragraph.
You say here?
Now, because it is started the sentence, put your call to action inside a container. And now if you enter after this, when, then it is your paragraph, right? Yes, like that. And you can arrange them, all of them like that.
Appropriate color combination. Yeah, they're still very appropriate. Was there before, I must have deleted it.
Yeah, if you don't find something useful, then you can just delete it.
So I can get some more content creation, I can get some more things from here if I wanted to.
Yes. You can just write yourself also, because if you have some structure in mind based on your own business idea, you just write it and ask me Athena or write me Athena, it will expand on them. And here you can add a small paragraph from somewhere else and you can summarize it. So it's like you need a bigger text, of course, here, like longer sentences. If you have it on your website or anywhere, you can summarize it and you can take that summary and again put it back on the editor, ask me Athena or write me Athena. So obviously there's some user learning curve as well. User need to be pretty conscious of the inputs that you're sending in relation to your business and research, right?
Yeah.
And that's what I said is it might be a good idea to keep your market research also open and constantly referring from there, because then you get more structured output.
Yeah,
right?
That makes sense. Assume for a moment I'm happy with all of this. I save, right?
So yeah, if you want Athena to focus more on only on the market research, because currently it's trying to generalize it, right? Yeah. So you can either choose search intent. If you're too focused on the search intent, then you can just choose search intent, and then it will only grab the context from the search intent training that we did, right? If you want to focus too much on your insights and market research, then you can select both of them. So this is how you can control Athena. And since we have not injected URL, we have not created yet any sales copywriting. When you do this and when you train Athena, you will also see that these options are also getting enabled. So if you want to create a bottom of the funnel content which is more contextually focused on the sales arguments, then you will choose something like sales copywriting. Then it will draw a lot of context from the sales copywriting approach. When you're fully focusing only on the informational content, top of the funnel content, and you wanted to influence the search intent, then you check box the search intent.